Right, I want to show you probably my favorite thing in here. This is one of those things that you wish you'd have had a long time ago. So have a look at this, right? I'll take off the business end of this. This is what we're talking about. Now, you might feel like you recognize that because you've seen them before. You might have had one for regular DeWalt batteries to charge your phone up and stuff, 2 USBs. But look at the back of that. That's not a regular USB. Look to the right, there is a USB-C. Now, what can you do with USB-C? In terms of sort of energy in and out, they're pretty much limitless. But look what it comes with. Now this is where it gets interesting. So this is a 100-watt charger. So all of a sudden, when you're out in the field and you want to charge up a DeWalt battery, you can plug it into the USB-C there, and then plug it into the wall and stick the battery on it and charge up your battery. So all of a sudden, the wire and that has replaced that. And the clever bit is this. That is basically, well, this one's charging at 2.5 times the speed of that, which is phenomenal. And the other thing is, once your battery is charged, you know, you can unplug it from there, and now it is a charger. So you can charge anything with a USB-C, or you can run an Apple Mac or a laptop from it, or a mobile phone charger, or you can just use the battery to power tools. Isn't that genius?